President Emmerson Mnangagwa skipped the inauguration of Tanzania's re-elected president, Samia Suluhu Hassan, citing his deputy Vice President Constantino Chiwenga to represent him. President Hassan secured a sweeping victory, winning nearly 98% of the vote. Sarabina mashukuru kuda pango eno anyogwa nchinzi. President Emmerson Mnangagwa snaps Samia Suluhu Hassan's inauguration. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipna mnamobra anyogwa nchinzi. While Chiwenga attended the ceremony in Dar es Salaam, Mnangagwa traveled to Doha, Qatar, for the United Nations Second World Summit for Social Development. Delivering Mnangagwa's message, Chiwenga condemned the post-election violence that followed the Tanzanian pause, describing it as outdated and unacceptable in the 21st century. He urged Tanzanians to embrace peace and dialogue in resolving political disputes. In quotes, we see the situation that has happened in Tanzania and it is quite disturbing. Fighting is not something we should talk about in the 21st century, Chiwenga said. Tanzania is come of age and we wanted to see them coming together as one people. Our relationship with Tanzania is deeply rooted during our liberation struggle. They were among the frontline states that stood with us. President Suluhu echoed the same call for unity, saying violence had no place in Tanzanian society. Violence is not part of our culture. What happened is not a true reflection of who we are. Now we must work together for development, he said. Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema, one of the several regional leaders in attendance, also emphasized peaceful dispute resolution, noting that when there is violence, there is no development. One life lost is one too many. Other dignitaries, including Mozambican President Daniel Chapo, Somali President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, Burundian President Evariste Ndayishimiye, and former Tanzanian President Jakaya Kikwete, delegations from China, the United Nations, and various African and European nations also attended the ceremony. Though news update ya inayopangwa inayoimarisha Zimbabwe. Moze mafunguro enyi motukulipa msuru pichiti kwa chipina comment section medu. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.